Hey guys, it's Ashley from the Art Factory, and today I've got the Art Factory Lush Rose brush, which is a large angled brush, and I've got a split cake on it that goes from neon yellow all the way to dark blue, and I'm just going to add some little swooshes and loop-de-loops on either side of a long thin line to create a long thin peacock feather. Now, this is not an accurate peacock feather, it's just an approximation, a fun stylized one that is quick for your gigs when you want to fill up an arm. So all I'm doing is adding loop-de-loops and swooshes and then going back and making it look a little fluffy and then making the middle of the feather look a little thicker. Now I'm going back in with neon yellow just to add in some teardrops and swirls and loop-de-loops to give it a little pizzazz, make it a little brighter. And then, of course, I'm going to paint all of this with my Art Factory number 4 round. After I'm done with the neon yellow, I'm going to go back with a dark blue. And I'm just going to use that dark blue to add some even more teardrops, make the stem a little thicker, and of course outline a few of my loop-de-loops. My goal here is just to make the feather look kind of textured and fluffy. So don't feel like it has to be super perfect or anything. Of course, you can draw it however you want to draw it. Feathers aren't really something that you have to be super particular about unless you're going for realism. And when it comes to face painting, it's not always necessary to be super realistic. So feel free to just kind of do it in a stylized way that works for your style of painting. For me, that involves lots of swirlies, loop-de-loops, and feathery teardrops. After I'm done with the dark blue, I'm going to go back with that same number 4 round with some purple and fill in the little edges, and then we're done. I hope you liked this video today. I'm going to finish off the design with a little bit of Art Factory glitter. This is the crystal glitter in the color Ice Princess. So I hope you like that. Thank you so much for watching. You can get all of these supplies at artfactoryus.com.